Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we share with you a natural remedy that can quickly cleanse the liver. Just 3 raw materials are needed to cleanse the liver quickly. First, we need to prepare 3 heads of garlic. Garlic is a very healthy food. It not only strengthens the immune system, it also protects liver health. Soak garlic in water for 10 minutes. 3 lemons. We need to clean the skin of the lemon with soda water. Lemon is a fruit that is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It also has many benefits for liver health. The vitamin C in lemons can help reduce oxidative damage to the liver and it protects the liver cells from free radicals. Because today's recipe requires the use of lemon peel, so be sure to thoroughly clean the lemon skin of pesticide residues. Remember to wash it again with clean water. You don't have to resort to health drugs to stay healthy. Common food can also solve the problem. The garlic has been soaked for 10 minutes. Now let's peel the garlic. Soaked garlic skin is very easy to peel. If you want to become healthier, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on the little bell next to it to get more natural remedies. Your likes and comments are the motivation for me to make more videos. We need to dry the water stains on the surface of the garlic with kitchen paper. Studies have shown that garlic is rich in sulfide compounds. This compound can help detoxify the liver by promote the activity of liver detoxification enzymes. This effectively removes toxins and waste from the body. Finely chop the peeled garlic. Garlic also has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. Can protect the liver from inflammation and damage, and it promotes liver health. Therefore, garlic is considered to be a very good food that it can help us to maintain our health. The washed lemon needs to be cut into small pieces. The citric acid in lemon promotes the metabolic function of the liver and regulating the pH value of the liver. It helps to improve the acid-base balance of the liver and it helps to reduce the burden on the liver. In addition, lemon can promote the secretion of bile in the liver and enhances the flow of bile and it helps the liver to excrete wastes and toxins, thus keeping the liver healthy. Prepare a clean glass bottle. Fill the jar with chopped garlic and lemon. If you are concerned about your health, then this recipe is definitely worth a try. Also, we hope you will follow our channel, like, subscribe and comment. Let our videos deliver more health knowledge and life tips. Our goal is to help more people improve their quality of life and improve their health. If you have any suggestions or want to learn more about health, also welcome to leave comments in the comments section. We will respond to your questions as soon as possible. The bottle can be filled to 8 minutes full. Then add the honey. Always choose real natural honey. Honey is rich in natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatory ingredients that It can protect the liver from damage and inflammation. The natural enzymes in honey promote the liver's metabolism and detoxification functions. It helps to remove toxins from the body. Refrigerated and sealed after making. The nutrients in honey can improve the activity and function of liver cells. This improves liver function. Honey is rich in antibacterial properties. It can prevent the development of diseases such as hepatitis. Honey can promote fat metabolism and reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver. This prevents the development of fatty liver. Take a spoonful every morning at breakfast. It can help to cleanse our liver and promote good health. If you want to keep your liver healthy, why not try this natural remedy? I believe it will give you amazing results. Finally, I wish you good health and happiness.